In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable color filters on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you enable color filters, whether you turn on grayscale or you turn on red and yellow filter, red green or blue green filter on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to show you how you can easily disable this or turn off this feature on your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this video you found this layer and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to disable or turn off color filters on Apple Watch is press the two crown ones. So make sure you go back to the app menu or app list. While on the app list, just locate settings and click on that. Once you click on the settings, you want to scroll down until you get to accessibility. Then tap accessibility. Once you tap accessibility, you want to scroll down as well until you get to color filters. Then you can see color filters can be used to differentiate colors by users who are colorblind and aid users who have difficulties reading text on the display. Then tap on it. Once you click on color filters, you'll be taken to where to switch between color filters or turn off color filters. Then to turn off color filters, just turn this on, and that is going to disable the color filter. You see that? So that is how you can easily disable or turn off color filters on Apple Watch. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.